When you are ready to edit your pictures, crop them, and make your photo collage of the alphabet in Photoshop, this is what you'll need to do. So you launch Photoshop, and we're going to start our new project. I'd like you to go to the art illustration and just do, you can do any of these really. You can adjust the size of your paper later. We'll just do a poster for now. I'm going to give it a name. And I'm going to hit create. So this is the one that we'll be dropping all of our pictures into. Now, the thing is that if you have to crop them first, you're going to have to do that separately. So now I'm going to go to File and Open, and I'm going to go on my computer, and I'm going to go to where I have all the pictures, so your SD card, to open up whatever picture it is that you want to crop first. So I'm going to demonstrate with my amazing dog, Molly. Okay. So on your toolbar, if your toolbar is skinny like this, be sure and pop it out right here to make it a little bit larger and locate your crop tool. With your crop tool, you can just click and select, or you can adjust on the outside what you want to do. So I'm going to select her face, and I'm going to slide that over some because I don't want the checkerboard. And I think that's good, so I'm going to click this little check mark or hit enter to lock that in. Now, this is what I want to go into my collage. So now I'm going to come over here to the layers, and I'm going to click, hold, and drag, and I'm going to go up to the tab up here, and I'm going to come into this one, and I'm going to drop it. I'm going to get off the crop tool, come to my move tool, move Molly to where I want, and I've got my first one done. Then you can come back and close this one without saving. You don't have to save that. And then you're going to repeat the process. I'm going to go open. Let's grab my son. I'm going to crop him, his face. That's good. Come to the layer, drag it, drop it, move tool, and I got my second one. And you're going to repeat until you have your entire alphabet here. And then once you have your entire alphabet, you can crop the whole page if it is too big, or if you need, or if you need to make it bigger, whatever you need to do, you can adjust it that way. And then this one is the one that you put everything into that you will be turning in. Okay, bye.